Hi everyone, I am Narsimha. In this video, we are going to cover our agenda. You people aware I used to teach SAP MM. In this video, we are started SAP MM new course in S4 HANA. For that course, we are going to cover few topics. What topics we are going to cover, I will explain in this video. I will explain around 3 to 4 months agenda of in this video. Already few of videos created for organization structure. From that, few of videos already released, few of videos scheduled. First, we are going to cover organization structure. It is under process. After that, we are going to cover material master data. Actually, we have a 6 master data in SAP S4 HANA. What is that? I will show you. In SAP S4 HANA, for material management, we have a 6 master data. One is material master data, second one is vendor master data, third one is purchase info record, fourth source list, fifth quota arrangement list, sixth one is conditional master data, condition master data. We are going to cover entire 6 master data. First we will cover material master data, then vendor master data. Based on our requirement, we'll go purchase info record, source list, quota arrangement list, conditional master data. No need to go serial wise, but we will cover first material master data and vendor master data. Then I will start P2P, procurement to pay. Most of the people asking FI and MM integration related topics. P2P is related to FI and MM. Both. That's the reason I'm going to cover P2P. In the P2P, what we are going to cover, generally P2P topics we used to call components of MM. In that components of MM, first one is purchase requisition. We used to call PR. Then RFQ, we used to call request for quotations. Then quotations. Then price comparison statement, purchase order, goods receipt, invoice receipt. I am going to cover all these components of MM. If you want to learn this all topics, you have to stay with me and you should subscribe the channel. Otherwise, you won't get any notifications from my channel. You have to subscribe channel and you have to click bell icon. Moreover, you have to give feedback. Without feedback, you can't expect any good topics from my side. You have to give feedback. I'll teach you everything in detailed manner. Purchase requisition, RFQ, quotation. If you took GRN, I'll tell you how many GRNs available through purchase order, inbound delivery, outbound delivery, how to cancel purchase in order, how to create invoice. I'll tell you everything. After that, we will go special procurements. We have a different types of special procurements. 6 types of special procurements we have: third party special procurement, STOs, subcontracting, contracting. We have different types of special procurements. I'll tell you each and everything. I'll show you. If you want to complete special procurements, first we have to create sales organization structure. I will create sales organization structure like this. We have to create sales organization, distribution channel, division, shipping point. We have to create everything. We have to create customer also. It is related to SD, but I will tell you why. Because if you need to do practice for special procurement, it is a MM part. It is SD thing is mandatory. I will tell you how to create SD organization structure. Moreover, I will tell you SD and MM integration also. After that, I will tell you STO, stock transfer order, subcontracting process, and consignment process, and pipeline also. And moreover, I will tell you inventory management, conditional master data, split validation, and release strategy. I will tell you everything. If you want to see topic wise, I clearly mentioned in topics Excel. I covered all topics in Telugu except LSMW business partner. Business partner is not available in ECC version. I didn't cover the. I covered here in S4 HANA. Business partner comes under vendor master data. I will cover vendor anyway. I will cover entire vendor master data. In that vendor master data, I can able to cover business partner also. If you want to learn, you should stay with me. Subcontracting process. After that, I will tell you inventory management, batch management, physical inventory. I will tell you physical inventory. For physical inventory correction, we have a different movement types: 701, 702, 907, 908, 911, 912. I am going to cover entire movement types. I will tell you differences also. What is the difference between each and every movement type? After that, split valuation, transfer posting, OBYC, release strategy, goods issue, reservation, outline agreement. I will cover entire topics. It's take at least 6 months for me. I want to cover these topics. If I want to cover these topics, I need to spend huge time for this. That's the reason it takes 6 to 7 months. Why? Because I want to tell topics and video editing, thumbnail editing, and video uploading. It is a long process. That's the reason it's take definitely 6 to 7 months. In some institute, topics covered within the 4 months. I'm not aware they are able to cover this many topics or not, but I am going to cover entire these topics, and moreover I am going to tell you complete end user steps. No one tell complete end user steps. They tell randomly 2 3 steps, balance steps, they leave it on you. But I don't want to do that. I will tell you each and everything. Already I created many videos. I'll if you check my channel, you will find more than 100 videos for end users. If you want to learn consultant course also, you should learn those topics. But I taught that videos in Telugu. If you are not comfortable with Telugu, you can watch as a dubbed version. You can watch YouTube giving AI dubbing language. You can watch dubbed version in Hindi or English. Anyway, I am going to cover all topics in S4 HANA. If you want to learn all these topics, please subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, stay with me. That's my guarantee. You will be expert in SAP within the 6 months. Thanks for watching.